Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the earliest warning signs of prostate cancer were quietly present in your body for months or even years without you noticing. That's the scary reality for many men because the early symptoms are often subtle, easy to dismiss, or mistaken for something harmless. But here's the truth. Catching prostate cancer early can make all the difference in treatment success and long-term health. So let me ask you, have you ever brushed off small changes in your body thinking they were just part of getting older? I'd love to hear your honest thoughts in the comments below because sharing your experiences could help someone else recognize a symptom they might be ignoring right now. Part 1 begins with understanding why awareness matters. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, yet when caught early, it is also one of the most treatable. The problem is that most men don't pay attention until the signs become obvious, and by then, the disease may already have advanced. That's why today I want to walk you through 7 early symptoms most people miss, explained in a way that you can easily recognize and act on. The first sign is trouble urinating. It might show up as a weak stream, difficulty starting, or feeling like you can't fully empty your bladder. Many men assume this is just an aging prostate or something temporary, but persistent changes in urination should never be ignored. If this sounds familiar, it's worth bringing up with your doctor to rule out anything serious. Another overlooked symptom is frequent urination, especially at night. Waking up once in a while is common, but if you're getting up multiple times, it could be your body signaling that something isn't right. Yes, it might be linked to other conditions like an enlarged prostate or even too much late-night water, but it can also be an early clue of prostate cancer. Don't shrug it off. Your sleep and your health both deserve attention. The third sign is blood in the urine or semen. Even a small amount can feel alarming, but some men dismiss it if it only happens once or twice. Think of it as your body waving a red flag. It's not normal and should always be checked. This one symptom alone should be enough to book a medical appointment immediately because it can point to prostate issues that need proper investigation. Part 2 focuses on symptoms that are easy to overlook because they seem unrelated to the prostate. For example, unexplained lower back, hip, or pelvic pain can sometimes indicate that prostate cancer has begun affecting surrounding areas. Now, I'm not saying every ache or pain means cancer. Sometimes it's just sore muscles from activity, but if it lingers, don't ignore it. Your body is speaking to you, and it's up to you to listen carefully. Another subtle sign is erectile dysfunction. Many men assume it's purely age-related or stress-related, but in some cases, it's actually an early indicator of prostate problems. If intimacy changes are causing you concern, it's not just about your relationship, it's also about your health. Opening up to a healthcare professional about this can be life-saving, not embarrassing. The sixth symptom to watch for is sudden weight loss or loss of appetite without trying. We often celebrate dropping pounds, but when it happens unintentionally, it can mean something is draining your body's resources. Prostate cancer, in its early stages, sometimes affects metabolism in subtle ways. If you find yourself losing weight or skipping meals because you just don't feel hungry, please take it seriously. The seventh and final sign most men miss is fatigue that just doesn't go away. Not the usual tiredness after a busy day, but a deep, lingering exhaustion that no amount of rest seems to fix. This can happen when your body is fighting something beneath the surface. Think of fatigue as a quiet but powerful signal. It deserves your attention, not dismissal. Part 3 is about what to do if you recognize any of these signs in yourself. The most important step is not to panic, but to act. Early detection doesn't just improve treatment options, it can save lives. Make an appointment with your doctor, Share your symptoms honestly and ask for the right screening tests. Your health is worth every minute of that conversation. Now, I want you to remember this. Prostate cancer awareness isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about protecting your quality of life, your energy, and your future. Think about all the things you still want to do, the people you love, and the goals you haven't yet achieved. Taking care of yourself today is an investment in all those moments tomorrow. You might be wondering, what if I'm embarrassed to talk about these issues? Trust me, I understand, but I've seen firsthand how silence delays diagnosis, while speaking up gives men the best chance at recovery. So here's my challenge to you. Make your health a priority, even when it feels uncomfortable. And here's a personal story. Years ago, a close friend of mine ignored his symptoms because he thought they were just part of aging. By the time he sought help, his cancer was advanced. Thankfully, treatment gave him more time, but he always told me he wished he had acted sooner. His story is one reason I'm so passionate about sharing this message with you. So if even one of these signs sounds familiar, don't wait. Book that checkup. Share this video with someone you care about. And most importantly, remind yourself that paying attention to your health is not a weakness. It's one of the strongest, most responsible things you can do. Before we wrap up, I want to ask you again, have you noticed any of these symptoms in yourself or someone close to you? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Your story could be the wake-up call someone else needs. Thank you for being here with me today and for caring about your health. Together, we can spread awareness, break the silence, and help more men catch prostate cancer before it's too late. Stay strong, stay informed, and always listen to the signals your body is giving you, because your life is worth it.